In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Kit. We'll walk through how to send a one-time email, which Kit calls a broadcast. This is perfect for things like announcements, newsletters, or any message you want to send to your audience just once, rather than as part of an automated sequence. First, once you're logged into your Kit account, look at the top navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Send. Go ahead and click on Send, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Broadcasts. This is the area where all of your one-time emails live, so you can create new ones or see ones you've sent in the past. Next, you'll want to start a fresh message. On the Broadcast page, click the New Broadcast button. This opens up the email editor where you'll actually create your message. Here, you'll see fields for your subject line and the main email content. Start by writing a clear, compelling subject line. Think about what would make your subscribers want to open the email, but keep it honest and relevant to what's inside. Then move down to the content area and write your email. You can format your text, add links, and structure it so it's easy to read. Try to keep your message focused on a single goal, whether that's sharing an update, promoting an offer, or driving people to a specific page. Once you're happy with your subject and content, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Continue. This moves you to the next step where you'll decide who should receive this broadcast. On the recipient screen, you can choose the audience for your email. A simple option is to select All Subscribers, which sends the broadcast to everyone on your list. If you use tags or segments, you can narrow it down to specific groups instead. Take a moment to make sure you're targeting the right people, then click Continue again. Now you'll see a final review screen. This is your chance to double-check everything: your subject line, your email content, and your recipient selection. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and edit before sending. When everything looks good, you have two options. You can click Send Broadcast to send the email immediately, or choose Schedule if you'd like it to go out at a specific date and time in the future. Once you confirm, your broadcast is all set and Kit will handle the delivery for you.